There she is.
The fault was the mast was too tall and there was too little stone packed in the.
Yeah.
In the
Yeah, there are a lot of theories what made it sink, but that's probably it. Yeah. That's how it should have looked.
Exactly. I wrote internet.
The day was 1961, 24th of April.
It took way too long, many years to.
Yes. That's when the Swedish government decided no more. We shall have this boat in the water. And so they finally took it out. It's a map of what ships were around the time. And that's the villagers discussing what actually happened, you know, like, did you hear that the ship went down? They say that it was a sabotage.
Now you can see them there.
Oh my god, the ship is sinking.
Not sure how many people died.
A lot. If I remember correctly, yes. Do you hear what they say? This exactly then. Look at the face of her. Oh my god. Did you hear what happened? Oh yeah, I heard it.
Everybody wonders why did it sink?
What happened?
That's how Swedish warship sinks because of lies.
Oh, yeah.
Lies is what
Is it
defines
Chernobyl now?
That's how warship sinks.
Because of rocks
Exactly. Rocks.
and lies. It looks terrible, but that was the kind of the proof that you had the
Screaming colors.
yeah, exactly. You were wealthy. There were colors.
Yeah, I see.
You wanna climb into one of those? Unfortunately, it's not possible to go aboard.
I know.
I wanted to too, but unfortunately not possible. I mean, I guess you can understand why.
Well, we don't have the king's permission.
We don't have the king's permission. And we are not Jack Sparrow.
I'm pretty sure those big, bolts. You see those big bolts? They are added afterwards.
Yeah, they look actually kind of new.
They are placed in.
But I think most of the stuff is the original. Obviously, they probably removed or replaced, for example, the mast. Because I guess it didn't remain. You don't want to make it dangerous either. But I think most of it is the original.
Alright. Yeah, now we can better look.
Yeah, we can take a better look. actually love this ship. It's so beautiful.
Black pearl.
Yeah, that's exactly how I imagined the Black Pearl, although probably a bit smaller. Now let's look at the back of the ship. Yes, that's where the captain slept. No, actually, I think that's a toilet.
Yeah.
Just making fun.
The mini bottle.
Exactly.
I don't think they just are fast.
Well, I'm gonna be honest, I think that's actually a toilet.
Might be.
It's a cool architecture, nevertheless. Oh well. And well, now you can see a little bit more.
Yeah, no. People are short.
Yes, although maybe not that short. Now you can see without the paint. Yeah, you can have a peek, a sneak peek. Oh, they had a fire extinguisher.
Yeah.
Sorry. They thought of everything, just not sinking. Now you can actually get the size a little bit more,
Yes.
at how big it is. It's literally little people walking next to it. That's how big it is. It's grandiose. And this is the original sail.
It is, right?
Yep. I mean, whatever remains, let's face it.
Of course.
And these are also original ropes and things used on the Vasa. And I think they actually managed to get out one of the cannons. Yeah. We can actually use the. Oh, that was the main. The main sail.
Yeah, sure. Did we expect something else?
Yeah, but I mean, it's really not much remained of it.
It's kind of exactly falling apart.
I mean, it was in the water for like 400 years, so.
I mean, wouldn't that have been easier to get?
I don't know. I really don't know. I don't want to comment because I don't know.
I guess it wasn't their priority.
Maybe it wasn't their priority. It went down. It It was no use of trying to bring up parts of it, I guess. I don't know.
100 years of denial. No, that was not there too.
Oh yeah, that's the captain's room.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
And that, you see, that's a toilet there. So that outer part is actually the toilet. It's because, yeah, that's what, yeah. I mean, sorry, but that's what you do. As funny as it is, that's what you do. You place your ass there, and then, yeah. Let's not detail what's happening. Everyone can imagine. So that's supposed to be the under deck.
And of course low,
It's super low. Honestly, not many people that can kind of. You wanna try it? Well, so what do you think? That's what I meant.
No, that's cool. That's cool. Actually, I am curious myself why we haven't been here before, but
But now you have been.